How to remove the background of any image on the Canva mobile app. Let's get into it. First things first, we want to go ahead and open up the image we want to remove the background of. With the image open, all you need to do is tap on the image and then go down to Effects in the bottom panel. Once you're in Effects, you will see the background removal tool. Click on that and Canva will remove the background of your image. If you find it hasn't done a perfect job, you can further refine this by tapping into the settings and then making changes to the selection with the brushes. Once you're happy with this, you can exit out of the background removal tool and save your image as a PNG. By saving it as a PNG, you'll ensure it has that transparent background. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.